guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, my name is Leah. If you're returning, welcome and thank you so much. As you can see, I am in the car and we are on the road. We are on the road to the southern part of Italy, specifically called Puglia. This was last summer. I couldn't get all the clips, but I managed to retrieve them, and I said, you know what, it's good to share this around this time, around spring. So if you're planning to travel or either in the future, it's going to be helpful. So Italy is a very beautiful country. It certainly does have a lot much to offer. Spectacular cities, ancient ruins, wonderful museums, soaring mountains, great beaches. Like, I can't wait to get where we're going, and beautiful natural scenery. I hope you guys enjoy, watch and see, and I'm sure you will be amazed by what Italy has to offer. So you guys, here in Italy during the summer, everybody is, the mood is so bubbly. Everybody wants to go outside there and get some vitamin C, and the beaches are in the south. So it's quite a big stretch, and that's where everybody is headed to. Some are using vans, some are using their bikes. You can see the bikers there, and also just normal cars. So I can't wait to get to the sea. If you're a pasta lover, you know Barilla already. This is where the manufacturing is done. It's
several hours later.
Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. So today is day 2 of our trip. We had a pit stop in a city called San Benedetto del Torre, and we got this small Airbnb kind of hotel where we had a good rest. It's not a good rest, but yeah, very comfortable. And then we woke up and had our breakfast. So in this city, there's also a beach, and we've been told it's 5 minutes away from this particular place. So we're going to check that out like real quick before we head the road. But I'm going to show you a bit about this city. It's so coastal, it's so beautiful. It reminds me of Mombasa. I come from Kenya, so Mombasa, Kenya is on the beach at the coastal part of Kenya. So it's just beautiful. So here is a sneak peek of how this place looks like, and it's close to the beach. Gives me really a lot more vibes of Mombasa, like just a normal coastal town. And this is so nostalgic, you guys. I'm going to take you to the beach so that we don't waste much time. Keep up with this trip till the end so that you get to know which place you're going to visit next when you want to come to Italy. Oh, we are at the beach finally. It's actually like 4 minutes. It's so close. Guys are having fun. We just played a bit with the sand and we are off to the road. So bye bye San Benedetto. Now we are headed to Gallipoli. We are hitting the road. So you guys, it's beautiful in this part of the world. It's just, the scenery is just amazing. It's a kind of a small town, village town, but it's so beautiful. Guys are going to the south. Everybody's headed to the south, and here there are even a bit of, hills, mountains. People are doing a bit of, cultivation of farming. So you'll find a lot of hills or small hills. So people are going down to the south, and most people actually here are using even the van. It's so much fun for guys to use the van. It's beautiful. Look at the sky. The sky is so beautiful. Guys, we are in Bari, and these are olive trees. This is how they grow olive trees here, and it's just amazing. I'm also going to show you how the vineyards look like in case you don't know. This is how they also grow this is where they also grow the vineyards, and this is how the vineyards look like. This is the grapes. Let me give you a good zoom. Okay, so this is where they cultivate the grapes. When I start seeing the palm trees, I know we are close to our destination. Yes, you guys, this is our hotel and this is the area around. Actually, this is day 2, you guys. The place is beautiful and it's just amazing. We are going to have a great time here. It's just a beautiful coastal, quiet, serene place. It's just if you're planning to travel to Italy in the future, this is a place you can consider. Gallipoli, or the southern part generally, is so beautiful. It's just so serene, so quiet. If you're looking to go out of the hustles and bustle of the city, this is the best place to come. And we went to the beach, and the beauty about the beach is it's so beautiful. They have also the play area for kids. You can see there when the kids are taking, a break, they have a place to play. My son really enjoyed, and it was just amazing. The beach, the water is crystal clear. You guys, we had so much fun with my family. It was just amazing. So if you come to Italy, you may have to try an ice cream, which is gelato, and there are really different kinds, and even there is something for everyone. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, there is something for everyone. So where we were staying is like a cottage farmhouse kinda. So there is a bit of farming going on, and also now the resort. So you can wake up, go to the pool, you can pick some fruits from the farm, and it's just a really good vibe. So if you're looking at nature and also enjoying, this is a good place to visit. So I'm going to put the place where we were in the description box. So here I'm showing you the cities that we visited around Puglia region. So we went to Salento, we went to other small cities around the area. There was good food. We really enjoyed, and it's affordable, you guys, especially seafood. It's just like the thing that you can have all the time. So other resort, there is that pool, and then that is the area around. As I told you, it's so beautiful. So I'm going to put some music so that you enjoy. So it's been real here in Gallipoli. It's been fun, it's been amazing, it's been just very good. We had a good time, we had a really awesome time here. It's just amazing. So right now we are bound to go to Rome, and yeah, let's see what Rome has to offer. But it's a wrap for Gallipoli. It's been real. Ciao. Hi guys, so we are in Napoli. We are going to Rome, and there is a beautiful, beautiful scenery of the olive together with the grapes. Those are grapes there. Many hours later, we got to Rome. Thank God. We were so tired. We got to this Airbnb that we had booked. It's just a basic, beautiful, clean room. And we were heading here for dinner at one of our friends, family friends' place. And this is Rome by night. Rome is so ancient, historical. I'm gonna show you tomorrow how it looks like, okay? So that's our small balcony. Rome, at the center of Rome, there is so much chaos, like cars and all that. I wish we could have booked an Airbnb out of Rome, but hey, we are here. What's up, you guys? This is day 2 in Rome, and we went to, look around and see what is happening. So this is at the Vatican, and there are places where you cannot take photos. You can just take few photos at some particular places. So this was like the entrance area. Beautiful, beautiful place. It's just, amazing. This place is just so beautiful. So if you're planning to go to Rome, please visit the Vatican. It's so beautiful. So this is outside the basilica. We came out because there are places where you can't take photos inside the Vatican, especially at the Sistine Chapel. Hi guys! So if you're planning to travel to Italy, I would advise you also, spare a few days and visit Rome. Rome is one of amazing places in the world. We all know that. Ancient ruins, there is amazing buildings, amazing history, a lot of things that you can, see, a lot of places you can visit. So please watch and let me know on the comment section what you think about my trip, my all-round trip, because we did an all-round trip. And let me tell you, Italy is beautiful. If you have Italy in your bucket list, please go ahead and watch these cities. I'm going to show you other cities in the future, and you guys, you will just be amazed on how rich some of the cities in Italy have. So much history, Hey guys, this is day 3 in Rome, and we are just going around. This is the famous Colosseum, and it's just huge. I saw this in movies, but seeing it personal is just something on another level. So as I'm telling you guys, if you're planning to travel to Italy, please try and visit this place. Rome is just really beautiful. As I said, I'm going to visit Rome again. So the Colosseum is huge, and you don't even have to worry about if you speak English, and there is a lot of tourism. It's a touristic town and a city, and so you will find a lot of people who speak different languages, so you don't have to mind about that. Guys, it's just so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy. We went to different parts of Rome, and we had a really amazing time. And you know what? We were in Rome for only 3 days. We really tried to maximize before we go back to Milan. But so far, so good. Beautiful city. We love it. And it was scorching hot, you guys. But the beauty about Rome is you find cold water taps in the city. Like, how good can it get? Cold water, you just need to have your bottle, and you can have cold, clean water, even sparkling water in the cities. It's just the most amazing thing I think you can have in a city when it's hot, especially. So we decided to try the meal, the most common meal in Rome, which is pasta carbonara, which is a pasta made with bacon, and it was just delicious. This is a recipe mainly and popular in Rome. So if you're traveling to Rome, please try and have it. And this is intestines. They make it so well. And we were all happy and ready for the day. So hi guys, it's a wrap for this trip. We are done. It's been great. So we're just saying bye to Rome. Rome has been really beautiful, very nice historical stuff. So we are hitting the road. We are already on the highway. So but it's a wrap for Rome, and see you next time, Rome. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and let me know on the comment section what's your favorite city, and also check out my blog on the description box. I'm going to leave it down below for more information about Italy